The sad part about yesterday was it started out like a normal trade. We had some, pre-market strength, and I was like, all right, we can't trust the pre-market strength. And then we got the rollover. We were short first, and then UVXY started to tick down, and we're like, all right, little faux show bro action. All right, let's cover some shorts here. All right, Apple starts going down to 175, and again, the whole thing about bear markets is, most bears are angry because they miss stocks going up, so they're all pissed off. And there's always that price, the bulls who are angry that, oh man, if the stock would only pull back to this price, I would load up. And then it's there. Oh, I ain't touching this thing now.
That's Apple, me. How'd you know? That's me.
Apple was that stock yesterday. I was like, I got to buy some at 175. I'm thinking of buying 400 shares for the kids, my wife. I'm like, all right, I'm in. Next thing you know, it starts ripping. I'm like, well, okay then.
I'm out.
And then it's at 175. 175 gets you 177.50, which I thought would take a week or two. And it's 2 minutes later. And I'm like, all right, I got to sell some here. And then it's at 180. I'm like, what the hell's going on here? And then the afterburners kicked in, and we were buying the Qs. And normally a 2-point rip in the Qs is a lot. They were moving in 5-point increments. I was like, okay, I feel really bad about selling. And I was like, I think the market's about to go green. And then it went green and still tacked on another 5%. The Qs went from 420 to 443 in the matter of what? It was about 9 minutes. That's absurd. Sometimes you see a year go by, you don't see that kind of action for the entire year.